My New Year's resolution is to contact my mom more often, and Duo video calling on my Pixel 4 is gonna help me achieve that goal for 2020. That Duo video call adds that extra special, nice touch to it versus just a voice call. So being able to pull out my phone, say, "Hi mom, how are you doing? How's it going?" is gonna allow me to be successful in 2020.
My resolution for 2020 is to be less online. I'm going to use the Nest Wi-Fi points so I can schedule Wi-Fi pauses throughout my weekday nights. I just want to be more present throughout my daily routines at night. I want to read more and spend more time doing things that I love.
My New Year's resolution for 2020 is to find more ways to relax. I'm planning on using my Google Nest Mini to play a meditation playlist every morning. I didn't feel like I made enough space for myself to just lay back and relieve my stress. And so this year, I want to make sure that I make that time for it.
My New Year's resolution this year is to live a healthier lifestyle. I'll be using the Nest Hub Max to cook healthy recipes as well as learn new cooking techniques on YouTube on the screen. I plan on doing that mainly because I want to enjoy the things that I already love and really get the most out of it. So that's my plan, and hopefully Nest Hub Max helped me get there.